Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have colored cells and a header row. Now enable filtering. Click any header cell, then choose Data Right Arrow Filter to add the drop-down arrows. Once done, confirm the colors you used are actual cell fills, not shapes or comments, because Excel filters work on cell formatting. Make sure the colored cells are within the same contiguous table. You're starting the only built-in route. The filter drop-down reads cell fill color directly, so prepare the sheet accordingly before you select a color. Now you'll perform the actual color filter. Click the drop-down arrow in the column that contains colored cells, then choose Filter by Color. The menu lists the fill colors Excel finds in that column. Select the exact color swatch you want. Excel instantly hides non-matching rows. If you used more than one color in the same column, repeat for each color or clear the filter between selections. Note that Excel filters by the cell's fill property, so conditional formatting may appear differently in the list. To finish, clear or modify filters as needed. Data Right Arrow Clear removes all filters, or use the drop-down to change the color. If colors were applied by conditional formatting and don't appear in Filter by Color, create a helper column that returns a value based on the same rule, then filter that column instead. If a color option is missing, make sure cells are actual fills and not shapes, and watch for nearly identical shades. Excel treats each unique fill separately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.